has its own importance. So students, here we complete the B part of activity 5, right? Now we proceed to activity 5th, the C part. In this, students closely study the sample of letters given above in activity 2. Each paragraph or section of letter is assigned numbers. Work in groups and match the following column A with column B. So students, when I explained the lesson activity 2, the story of the two pen friends Jamshed and Bharat. Okay, so we again move to that page. Here the column, these are all the parts of a letter, and I told you in the letter each section of the letter is assigned numbers. Okay, and these are the various parts: the heading, the greeting, that is the salutation, the main text, the body, conclusion, how do you close your letter, and the signature line, the person who writes the letter, that is the signature line, and postscript. Postscript, PS is a postscript. Students, suppose sometimes you forget to write any sentence and in between letters you cannot add, so in the last line you can just write postscript and write whatever message you have forgotten to write. And these are the sections, the numbers which has been aligned, section of the letter which is assigned numbers, right? 2.4 and 5. The answers to the first one is D, that is a heading consists of 2.1 and 2.2, right, section of the letter. The salutation, your answer is E. E means what? It is 2.3. The numbers 2.3, which is given number section of the letter, is 2.3. The main text A, there are two parts, 2.4 and 2.5 section of the letter. Conclusion means we are closing the letter, right? That is B. B is again, that is 2.6 and 2.7. The signature line, the person who is writing the letter, right? That is the F, that is 2.8. And PS, students, I told you in this letter it is informal letter, so PS is not there, so we have to write not given. Now students, I have explained you this, but let's see, I'll explain you the each and every part in the letter section, right students? So let's begin. Now see students, here we have got the answer. I have already told you the first part, the heading is 2.4 and 2.5. Okay, right students? So let's see students, this is let's begin with the heading. The first part answer is D, right? And the answer is 2.1 and 2.2. Let's begin with the first part students. I'll just point out the heading, right students? 2.1 and 2.2. See this part. Okay, again I'll do it. This part, can you see this part? This is called the heading of the letter. 2.1 and 2.2, this contains the address and the date. Got it? Okay. Now we proceed with the salutation. Salutation is 2.3. So salutation is here students. See, this is called the salutation. 2.3, Dear Bharat. Dear Bharat, that is called the salutation, right? The greeting. To whom we are going to send the letter, that is Dear Bharat. Did you understand, students? Right? Okay. Now we proceed further, students. The main text. The main text is 2.4 and 2.5. Now see 2.4. This whole part, students, it is the main text 2.4. Got it? Okay. Now we proceed 2.5. Again 2.5, students. This part is the main text. There are two parts, right? The main text, the body 2.4 and 2.5. Did you get it, students? Right. Now we come to the conclusion part. Conclusion is 2.6 and 2.7. Okay. Let's see 2.6 and 2.7 where it is. This is 2.6. Right, student? Okay. 2.6 and 2.7 here. This part, it is called the conclusion, right? Understood, students? This much 2.6 and 2.7. Okay. Now we proceed with the signature line. Signature line is the person who writes his name, right? The person is sending the letter, and answer is 2.8. Right, students? So let's begin. Where is 2.8? Yes, this is 2.8. It is written Jamshed, right? Can you see it clearly? Again, I will just click it again, students. This part 2.8 Jamshed. Okay, that is the signature line. Okay, students. Now here we complete this exercise, students. Now let's proceed with the here this is the answer I have already given. Now we proceed with activity 6, students.